Durians, often dubbed the king of fruits, are renowned for their strong aroma, rich flavor, and creamy texture. While some people adore this tropical delicacy, others are put off by its potent smell. If you've ever considered indulging in durians for an entire week, you may be curious about the effects it could have on your body. Here's a comprehensive look at what happens when you consume durians for 7 consecutive days. Nutritional composition of durian before diving into the effects. It's essential to understand what durians offer nutritionally. Durians are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps in the absorption of iron. Minerals, durian contains potassium, which aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and heart function. Fiber, this is important for digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Healthy fats, unlike many fruits, durians contain healthy fats, which provide energy and support overall health. Day 1-2, initial reactions when you first start eating durians. Your body may react in various ways. Digestive changes, for many. The high fiber content can lead to improved digestion. You might notice a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after meals. However, if you're not used to consuming high fiber foods, you may experience mild bloating or gas. Energy boost, the natural sugars and healthy fats in durian can provide a quick source of energy. This might lead to increased alertness and vitality during the first couple of days. Taste sensitivity, as you indulge in the unique flavor of durian, your taste buds will begin to adapt, making you appreciate its richness even more. Day 3-4, nutrient absorption and mood effects as you continue your durian diet. Your body undergoes additional changes, enhanced nutrient absorption, with a steady intake of vitamin C and other nutrients. Your body's ability to absorb iron and other minerals may improve. This can result in increased energy levels and overall well-being. Mood elevation, durians contain tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good hormone. As serotonin levels rise, you may experience improvements in mood and a reduction in feelings of anxiety or stress. Hydration balance, durians have a high water content, which can contribute to hydration. If you accompany your durian consumption with plenty of water, you might notice better skin health and enhanced hydration levels. Day 5-6, potential drawbacks. While there are many benefits, consuming durians for an extended period may also present some challenges. Caloric intake, durians are calorie-dense. Eating them excessively could lead to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. It's essential to monitor portion sizes and ensure a balanced diet. Strong odor, after several days, the strong aroma of durians might become more pronounced, potentially affecting your breath. Regular oral hygiene is essential during this time. Digestive sensitivity, if you have a sensitive stomach, the continuous fiber intake might cause discomfort for some individuals. It's crucial to listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Day 7, overall conclusions. By the end of the week, your body will have experienced a variety of changes. Many individuals may notice improvements in mood and energy levels, as well as a boost in digestive health. However, the potential for digestive discomfort and weight gain is also present, depending on your overall diet and lifestyle. In summary, enjoying durians for 7 days can offer significant health benefits, but moderation and balance are key. If you love this unique fruit, consider incorporating it into a varied diet rather than consuming it exclusively for an extended period. This way, you can enjoy the rich flavors and health benefits without overwhelming your body. Happy eating!